Hey, I'm Bobby Jensen with Breen Marine. I want to show you a product that we've been installing in a few boats, and it's making life a lot softer. In the ocean boating world, you know, these aluminum boats that we've been putting out left and right, and especially in the Northwest here, everybody likes aluminum boats. The thing about an aluminum boat is it doesn't quite ride as soft as fiberglass. They don't have quite the dead rise, and they're lightweight, so they pound a little bit harder. So suspension seat bases have become more and more popular, and there's been a few companies that have been coming out with them here and there, but two problems. One, they're extremely expensive. The other problem that they have is they rust out because they're made of steel. So let me show you this new product from WPS Outdoors. The unit is made of all aluminum body. All the bracketry is aluminum, welded aluminum. And then we have the suspension, the shock. Now the shock here is adjustable. Right now this one's set on the highest one, and this will come with the wrench in the box to adjust that. Each of the pins here is stainless steel with bronze bushings. Here's a setup that we are all put together here to test. You see 180 pounds. It got plenty of movement to take those waves. You can hear the gas shock in there, making the little hissy noise. I don't even think I can bottom one of these things out. Oh. Not even close. Hang on. Oh man, I felt it bottom out.